Hello, a bit of an impromptu video because I'm doing something that my sister recommended. Remember I mentioned in one of my videos that one of my watercolor paints from LM Colors had dried up, and she recommended I use a bit of honey to reactivate it, and it's actually doing the trick. So let me just show you. This is hard to record, and sorry for the background noise as well. As you know, I still don't have an office. But let's see if this will focus. I've applied just like a drop of honey, maybe even less. And I've slowly, with a bit of water, started working into it. And I keep on stirring and stirring. And it's doing the job. It's doing its job. It's not easy filming with just one hand. So hopefully I'll be able to recover this lovely color, because she doesn't have them anymore. Okay, so that was the update. See you soon.